Hi guys, welcome to my channel and thank you very much for watching my videos, for subscribing, for liking, for sharing. Today I will present to you a South Indian dish, a traditional recipe called idli, sambar and chutney. Now let me break it down for you guys. Idli, these are steamed dumplings which are originally made of rice and urad dal, which are soaked overnight, but I am going to use semolina because it's easier and it's healthier. Why? Because urad dal is quite heavy. The second dish of this recipe is sambar, which is always eaten along with idlis. This sambar is a soup which is made of lentils. I will be making my own sambar masala since my masala is finished. And the third part of this composed dish, I can say, is coconut chutney. I have already shown you how to make it in my other recipe. Today I will be showing you how to break the coconut as well. So this dish, guys, is very light, so I'm going to fly now slowly. So follow me. First step for our rava idlis is making a mixture of rava and curd. So I will take some semolina, measure according to your needs, and we will add curd in order to make a mixture. This is a homemade curd. It is very easy to make. So we get a mixture which is not very stiff and which is not very loose. So leave your mixture for some time. Depends upon how much you have. If you don't have at least half an hour, you can proceed to the next step. I've got plenty of times, guys, so I will be leaving this mixture to set for about 3 hours. So that's better for our idlis, as we want our idlis to be fluffier. Now let's make our sambar, guys. Everyone in India knows that idli are eaten with sambar and chutney. So sambar is a lentil soup. I'm using masoor dal, which is red lentil. It is also available abroad. And some vegetables like onion, tomato, brinjal, chili. There are more suitable vegetables for this preparation, which unfortunately I don't have during this lockdown. So other vegetables which you can use are lady's finger and drumstick. So I will be cutting all these vegetables in big pieces and add to the lentil. This is how I cut the vegetables. Now let us add them to dal and boil them in a cooker for 3 whistles. Don't forget to add water, but do not add salt right now. I just discovered, guys, that I don't have sambar powder which is needed for sambar, so I will be making my own with the condiments which I have. Some of the condiments I don't have, like tur dal and chana dal. So I will be using cumin seeds, coriander seeds, some fenugreek seeds, black peppers, and some bay leaves. I will roast all of this. I've heated the fry pan and I'm going to roast all of this without oil until a pleasant aroma will be released. Cool it down and grind it to a fine paste. This is the powder I got, guys. Of course, whole red chilies are must for this recipe. I'm not using them. I will be using red Kashmiri pepper. Now for our lentil soup sambar, we will require these ingredients as well. Some bay leaves, turmeric powder, asafoetida powder or hing it is called, some mustard seeds, some paste, tamarind paste, and some gur, that is a unprocessed sugar. So let's proceed to making our soup sambar. Guys, I forgot to tell you, we will need red Kashmiri pepper. Add some oil in the pan. When oil is hot, add curry leaves and mustard seeds. When they start popping, reduce the gas and add turmeric powder. And a bit of asafoetida, very few. Now add our lentils with vegetables. Add some water and let it cook for 1 minute with the lid on. Now let's add the remaining ingredients. Some salt, red Kashmiri pepper powder, half teaspoon of tamarind paste. You can use fresh or dry tamarind. One spoon of raw sugar, gur, or you can use any other sugar which you have, and I will use only a little bit of the masala which we have roasted. I won't be using the entire because I do not want flavors to be too strong. Let it boil for another 1 minute and our sambar is ready. Our sambar is ready, guys. It is aromatic, it is a bit sour, a bit sweet. You can balance the sugar according to your taste. After 3 hours, you can see our semolina has entirely got soaked in the curd and hardened. So we will need to add water to make this mixture thinner. Add some water gradually, don't make the mixture too thin. Add some salt. I've got Himalayan rock salt, which is very good for our health. So this is the consistency we are looking for. If we make it thinner, our idlis won't be fluffy. So now let's add some soda, that is the last ingredient. 1/4 teaspoon of soda. Mix it swiftly and immediately put them in the mold and steam. I have heated the water in the cooker. I will be placing them in cooker. Remove the vessel and cook them for 10 minutes. Our idlis have boiled for 10 to 15 minutes. Now let's extract them. Let them cool down. Let's make our chutney for idli and sambar. Chutney is compulsory for idli. So in the same mixer jar, I will be making the chutney with some fresh coconut. One chili, four cloves of garlic, so you can make your chutney according to your taste. This is how we like the chutney in my family. Some peanut powder to make it more nutritious. Don't forget the salt. And grind it to a smooth paste with the help of by adding water or curd. I have curd, so I will add curd into it. First we need to grind without adding any liquid. At this point of time, let's add some curd. We like it more liquid, so I am adding some more curd. You can replace it very well with water. chutney is ready, guys. It's smooth, it's nutritious, so it's ready. Now let's serve, guys. Sambar, chutney, and extract the idlis. If you want your idli to be fluffier, you need to add more soda. I do not like to add more soda. Enjoy, guys.